So, good evening, friends. So, today we are discussing the basic difference between the thermal and photochemical reaction. In thermal reactions, they are accompanied by the absorption or evolution of energy, or we can say in terms of heat. In photochemical reactions, they are initiated by the absorptions of photons in visible or ultraviolet regions. Thermal reactions are generally takes place in darker region, or we can say dark region. They are performed in photochemical reactions. They are performed only in the presence of light, or we can say sunlight. In thermal reaction, the energy of activation is provided by the collision. In photochemical reactions, the required energy is gained through the absorptions of quanta, or energy we can say, of photons. Absorption of through the energy is gained through the absorptions of quanta. In thermal reactions, its mechanism is comparatively simple in nature, but in photochemical reactions, they are complex in nature. Their reaction mechanism, or we can say complicated reactions, we can say like that. Rate of thermal reactions depends only upon the temperature. And in our first video, we are already discussing that rate of photochemical reactions is independent of temperature. So next difference in thermal reactions are accompanied by a decrease in free energy because it's use its energy. That's why Gibbs free energy is decreases. Thermal reactions are generally spontaneous in nature, and in photochemical reactions, free energy is gained by some light, or we can say it is converted into free chemical energy, and it is non-spontaneous reaction. Spontaneous reactions means reactions that takes place in a single step directly. In thermal reactions, they are accelerated by the catalyst. In photochemical reactions, they may be initiated by photosensitizer, which do not act as a catalyst. Later on, we will discuss this part. In thermal reactions, thermal activation are not generally selective. But in photochemical, activations are selective in nature, particularly in terms of wavelength. In thermal reactions, the energy needed is in the range of 10 raised to 4 to 10 raised to 5 per mole. But in photochemical reaction, the energy of radiation of wavelength 2000 to 8000 angstrom varies from 23 to 230 kilocalorie per mole. So here are the difference between the thermal reactions and photochemical reaction. અહીંયા જસ્ટ આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું બેઝિક ટર્મિનોલોજી શું છે ફોટોકેમિસ્ટ્રીમાં શું આવે છે શું નહીં. લેટર ઓન વી વિલ ડિસ્કસ જેબ્લોસ્કી ડાયાગ્રામ. સો મેઇન જે પાર્ટ જે ફોટોકેમિસ્ટ્રીનું હાર્ટ કહેવાય એ જેબ્લોસ્કી ડાયાગ્રામ છે, જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં જોઈશું કે એની અંદર શું શું વેરિએશન્સ હોય છે, કેવા કેવા ટ્રાન્ઝિશન્સ પોસિબલ હોય છે. સો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ફોર લિસનિંગ મી. Thank you.